It's Josh and Chase in the morning on the all-new Cat Country 95.3. So excited to have this lady in the studio. She is our kid's pediatrician, and her name is Dr. Delia Wessels with Allied Pediatrics. Delia, spring is here. We're going to start dealing with a whole lot of sinuses, a whole lot of allergies. What's the most common thing you see come through your office this time of the year?
Well, it's a hard thing to differentiate at this time of year if it's going to be a common cold versus allergies, because so many things are blooming and we're still on the tail end of winter and all those sniffles are running around, especially if you got kids in daycare that are sharing the love. So that's the most common thing that we're coming through.
So what are signs to be looking for as far as the differentiation between allergies and a cold?
Well, if it's allergies, in addition to when you do a test of the snot coming back negative, it is also that kids tend to complain of being a lot more tired. They get cranky because allergies just make you kind of feel under the weather. Their eyes will itch. They'll complain of their throat itching. They'll just get dry skin overall and just kind of itch and scratch and be grumpier.
So for new parents like me, what's some stuff we can do to kind of prevent those allergies the first spring and summer that we're going to be going through where we don't really know what to expect?
Well, in theory, you're not going to show a whole lot of allergy symptoms until you've been through a spring or a summer or a fall. Make sure that you've got really good ventilation in your house. And I don't mean open windows because those are lovely, but that brings the pollen inside.
Sure.
Get yourself an allergen filter. You don't need to get a HEPA filter, but like an allergen filter so that when you are running your air, that you can go ahead and filter out those bigger particles. You want to make sure that you're getting your house vacuumed at least once well every week. And then every 2 or 3 months, do like a shampoo of the carpets to make sure you're getting out all of the crud that tends to accumulate, especially when you have a little that's going to be crawling around on the floor. You need to consider getting an allergen cover for your mattress, and then as they get older again with the pillows, because dust mites are those teeny tiny little microscopic critters. Those are the things that most people are allergic to.
Fantastic. Good stuff. Dr. Delia Wessels with Allied Pediatrics. The website is myalliedpediatrics.com. You can get all the info right there. And next week, if you want to ask Dr. Wessels a question, you can. Just submit your questions online at facebook.com/catcountry953. Let's take a look at cat traffic this morning. Lori's got the latest. What's going on?